Hi teachers and staff members. This is just a quick little video on how to do the Google Meets. There's two ways that you can get to it. Number one, if you're in the newsletter, if you're in the email, if you go down here, this little purple, it might be blue on yours because I've clicked on mine a couple of times. This little purple link will take you to the Meets login. And something that you need to remember, you have to be signed in to some kind of Google account. I recommend signing into your own Garland ISD email account, which is the same way you get into your computer. But you've got to be able to be signed into one of them. It could be your personal one or this one. That's one way to get into it. And basically, this background screen that you see will be different for everybody. Mine's boats right now. It was gears just a minute ago. It's always different. But don't be alarmed if it doesn't look the same. You're going to, number one, click on join or start a meeting, and you're joining, and you're going to type in those codes that I put in the email. So the first one for Tuesday is Pearson 3-17. Don't use the division sign or the backslash. Use the minus sign. Then it'll actually show up, and you click continue. And then it'll ask you, it'll make sure that your camera is on, that your microphone is enabled, those kinds of things. We do need to kind of see you, so make sure you put clothes on. And that you're in a room that makes sense. And then when you join, you can either do this now or you can do it when you join. You are going to want to turn off your microphone. Once you turn off your microphone, no one's going to hear what's going on in your house or wherever you are. So, for example, if let's say that you have to go to the store really quickly for something and you're going to participate but in the store. Just make sure you turn your microphone off and we can still see you, but you can hear us. Then right here on the right, you're going to join the class and you will hopefully see yourself. So you'll see yourself in there. Other people will join and then you'll be good. If you notice, my microphone over here is off. So everyone can see that your microphone is off. Now, if there's some noise that's going on and we don't know where it's coming from, that's because it might be your microphone. So go ahead and turn it off. That way we don't hear what's going on and you can still kind of participate, at least by hearing. The other way to get to it is to go through the actual newsletter. So if you go to the newsletter to go through your actual Google sign in, my bad. If you go to your Google sign in, make sure you're signed in again over here. And you scroll down right here on a green little talking bubble is Meet. You'll click on that. And like I said, all the pictures, they always show up differently. You'll join or start a meet and you're just going to type in that meeting group again. And then you'll see yourself join. You'll see the same screen, turn your microphone off, and then join the class. And then you'll see yourself in there. Now, just in case there are a few people that can't be in there, I think there is a way that you can share it with phone numbers. I don't know if that's the case, but here's a way that people can join in if they're using a phone. Other than that, you are in, and we're just going to participate by phone. So you'll see everybody show up over here. I think it holds up to 4 people on the side, and then the rest just kind of show up in the list. We'll talk about things just like we do at our staff meeting. You can ask different questions that we may have. Obviously, some things that you have questions about, like right now at this very time that you're watching this video, you might not actually have when we're actually doing the meeting, or you may have new questions. So hopefully everything that I get, I will send a communication out every single day. Just watch that, and if you have any additional questions, just let me know. So hope to see y'all soon.